Welcome to TiElogues, and today we are in conversation with Puneet Gupta of Clensta. Welcome, Puneet. I'll start by asking you that you have an ambitious target for the next 5 years. How do you plan to achieve that 1,000 crore revenue mark?
Yeah, it's a very ambitious mark, I understand, but I think we are full ready for achieving those numbers. For simple reason, we are a 6-year-old brand, and initial year was just to building a foundation. And first 3 years was core research where we identified a roadmap for the next couple of years. What should be the technology, what should be the product, what should be the value proposition for the consumers, and what should be the differential. So the whole first year, even before we were launching in 2018, so the exercise was done. And I think the kind of a progress we have so far in terms of growth, month on month or year, we are very confident that we will touch our 1,000 crore GMV in next 3 years time.
Okay, so largely you are a D2C brand. How are your sales skewed when we compare it via offline versus online?
At this point of time, it's a kind of a 60-40 ratio. But what we see in terms of a progress, the kind of a progress we are making, I think our online sales become 80% in maybe next 3 to 5 years time, and offline sales will become 20% in next 5 years.
Okay, what is your retail format looking like in, say, this year or going ahead to achieve that 1,000 crore target?
At this point of time, we are, of course, capitalizing all other channels apart from our own retail formats, which includes modern trade, general trade, institutional, online, within online, our website and marketplaces. For our own retail formats, I think we will at least we have not planned for at least next 1 year. But post that, our all SKUs will be live, and I think that will be the time when we will start scaling the retail stores all across India.
Okay, great. So you started your journey 6 years back, and you have been associated with TiE Delhi-NCR. How has it played a role, in your entrepreneurial journey?
As a TiE platform, I think we have been meeting fellow entrepreneurs, and I would say I'm a kind of a believer on this, that I don't want to make mistake and learn always, because there are senior folks who has gone through this journey, and before we step in, we generally take their opinion that, okay, this is what I'm thinking, what is your view. And I think people are kind enough to share their time and advise that this is the right way of taking it forward. And it's not only for an Indian perspective. We have people like Sunil Natarajan been helping, even for a global perspective. So we recently started export, and that time, we had been in a conversation. This is what our thought process is. And it's not only advisory standpoint, I would say, I think TiE has been helping in terms of a right introduction. Always thankful to TiE members and TiE leadership that, it's kind of a great impact on entrepreneurs.
Great. Thanks, Puneet. Thank you so much for speaking with us.
Thank you, Bushra, for having me here on this today.